With Trump being re-elected in the United States, what does Huzoor see for the future of America and the world?
Let us see when it takes over. I don't know what will he do for the United States, but I think the world's condition will get better. At least he will try to avoid the wars. But some people are quite pessimistic about him. They say he will spoil the American economy and American people, and he will take some cruel actions against immigrants and migrants and refugees, especially illegal refugees. If there is going to be any immigration, it should be legal immigration. But on humanitarian grounds, he should deal with the people in a sympathetic way. But anyway, nowadays people are giving different opinions. Some international leaders are saying that the present day condition of the world will get better. Some say he will just ruin this peace of the world. And then let us see what happens. Anyway, the cabinet he is forming seems to be of those people who are hard-headed people, and they are against Muslims. So I don't know what is going to happen with Muslim countries. But Trump himself says that he has good relations with Prince of Saudi Arabia, and there are some other Muslim leaders. And even Chinese president says that he hopes that he will have better relation with America. So let us see what happens. And Trump himself is the person who cannot predict about him.